That's your house. See, that's your fireplace.
Ah.
If you turn it around so he can see it, he might like it better.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Papa, that's you.
Papa, that's you.
Word up.
Yeah. And that's Sejan, and you're at the computer.
You see, I'm getting this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sejong, you look like Hugh Hefner.
Yes.
And that's you and Nana.
That's Nana and Sejan, yes. And the stroller when we used to have to strap you in.
I eat burger.
No, you don't. Don't do that.
Well, he does, but he shouldn't.
Don't. Yucky. And whoever taught him this?
What?
Always spitting like that.
I don't know, but it's a bad habit.
Yes.
Sejong, you need to stop spitting.
Should we turn it off now?
Don't you see that? That's you.
No, Sejan has a cookie. Well, there's your kitty cat. There's your Appa.
I do see the book.
Oh, somebody was sound asleep. Ooh, look at those two handsome people. Look at that. Boy, don't they. Wow, she is skinny here, Mike. Look at this one.
I know, the good old days.
Who's skinny? You're-
Appa!
Oh, man.
You see that book?
I see it.
I'll do like that book later.
Later, okay, it's at Uncle Brian's house.
Let's get out at once.
Yeah.
혜성아. 뭐 봐? 혜정이 뭐 봐요? 뭐 봐요?
Yes.
On his lap.
뭐 봐요?
I know, did you get the other things, the toiletries and
Yep.
underwear and all that?
Yep.
Thank you, baby.
The only thing I said is missing is your clothes.
That's you, Papa.
It's Appa.
Yeah.
That's Sejan. Honey.
Yes.
That's you.
Oh. 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 Oh.
You see who's skinny than I am?
Yeah, that's Brianna.
Yeah. When Brianna has skinny, and he can learn ABC.
Mm-hmm.
She, not he.
Look it.
Yeah, that's Sarah's school.
That's Sarah's home.
That's Sarah's home, you're right.
Who else's home is it?
Sandal.
No. Sarah, Tori, and Brianna.
That's right.
No, you can't, it's either this one or this one. Either one. You're going back. Okay, that's it. You want to fit dinner?
No.
No.
I'm not finished. Come on.
No, I'm turning it down. Nana's not going to sit here any longer.
What? Let's play some club. Let's play some clubs.
Do you have Sajan's clothes packed?
Actually, he has a ton of clothes in LA that I left.
Mm.
Oh, I cannot thank you enough for your wonderful work. Everything is so beautiful.
Yeah, sorry, Mr. Sabatini. Gotta get to the dry cleaners before they close. Hurry, Mac!
I'm going as fast as I can, Wendy.
Oh, I know. Oh, it's no use, Mac. We're too late. It's closing time.
Oh, Wendy. Oh, we thought you were going to be late, so we went to the dry cleaners.
Oh, phew. You are such a good team.
Shouldn't you be getting ready, Wendy?
Oh, Pilchard, you've covered my jacket in cat hairs. No, my best pants too. Hello, Wendy. You're looking very nice.
Thanks, Bob. So are you.
That was the heavy speech.
Oh, no. I left my speech at home.
Should I go and get it for you, Wendy?
Oh.
Good evening.
Don't worry, Scoop. I know exactly what I'm gonna say.
Lisa, welcome. Tonight's a guest of honor, Wendy.
Ladies, Buck, and the team. It's a great pleasure to be here at the opening of Mr. Sabatini's beautiful new restaurant, where I know we'll be served the very best food in town. So, I'd like to say a big thank you to Bob and the team, and Molly. Where would we be without our friends? You know, without such good friends, I wouldn't be here this evening enjoying this lovely meal, or wearing this